Hello friends, today we will learn how to multiply two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. So let's get started. Let's take first example, 43 times 68. First I write here 43 times 68. First, we will multiply 43 times 8. Figure out what that is. Then we are going to multiply 43 times 60. Figure out what that is and then add those two numbers together. First, I am going to start multiply 43 times 8. I start with 8 times 3, which will come as 24. I can't write 24 down here. I'll just write 4 here and I'll carry these 2 here. Now I'll start with 8 times 4, which comes as 32. But we can't just put 32 down here. We have to add these 2 in 32. So 32 plus 2 equals 34. So I'll write down here 34. Now you can see 43 times 8 is 344. Now we are done to multiply this 43 by 8. So let me clean this up so we don't get confused. Now let's see what 43 times 60 is. 6 is in tens place, that's why it is 60. So we will multiply this 43 by 60. We are done with this unit place, so we will write here 0. And now we will start to multiply this 43 by 60. So first I start with 6 times 3. So 6 times 3 equals 18. I will write down 8 only, which is here, and I will carry this 1 in tens place. Now I will start with 6 times 4, which comes as 24, and we have to deal with this 1. We have to add this 1 in 24. So 24 plus 1 is 25. So I write down that 25 here. Now we have to add this 344 and 2580. Give plus sign here and then add. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. And 3 plus 5 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. And 2 will come like that only. So the addition will come as 2924. So you can see here 43 times 68 equals 2924. Let's take next example, 57 times 43. First I write this 57 here, then give multiplication symbol and then write 43. So here in 43 the unit place is in 43 in unit place there is 3. So we will multiply this 57 by 3. So I will start with 3 times 7. So 3 times 7, which will come as 21. So I write here 1, which is in unit place, and I'll carry this 2 in tens place. Now I start with 3 times 5. So 3 times 5 will come as 15. Now we have to add these two in 15. So the addition will come as 70, and I'll write down 17 here. So 57 times 3 will come as 171. Now next step. Now in next step we have to multiply this 57 by 4, but actually this is not 4, it is 40 because 4 in tens place. So we will multiply this 57 by 40. First let me clean up all this so we will not confuse. Now here you can see 4 is in tens place. We are done with multiplying with units place. So I'll write here 0. Now we will start to multiply this 57 by 40. So first I start with 7 times 4, which will come as 28. So I'll write down 8 here, and I'll carry these 2 here. Now I start to multiply 5 times 4, which will come as 20. I can't just put 20 down here because I have to add these 2 in 20. So 2 plus 20, or 20 plus 2 is 22. So I'll write here 22, give plus sign and add these two numbers. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 7 plus 8 is 15, and 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, and 2 plus 0 is 2. So 57 times 43 will come as 2451. Let's see more example. 81 times 37. So I'll write these two numbers like this. 81, give the multiplication symbol, and then 37 right below the 81. The numbers in unit place should be in one line, and the numbers in tens place should be in one line. Multiply this 81 by 7, which is in unit place in 37 on the bottom. So 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 1 is 7. Now 7 times, now I'll start with 7 times 8, which will come as 56. So I'll write here 56. Now we are done with multiplying this unit place. Now we will multiply this 81 by 30, because 3 in tens place, so it is 30, it is not 3 only. And we are done with multiplying with this 7, so we will write over here 0 and we will start. Now 3 times 1 equals 3, so I will write here 3. There is only single digit, no two digits are there, so there is no need to carry any number. Now 3 times 8, 3 times 8 equals 24. So I'll write down here 24. Now give plus sign and add these two numbers. So we will add now we will add 567 plus 2430. So 7 plus 0 is 7, 6 plus 3 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9, and 2 plus 0 is 2. So we have got 81 times 37 equals 2997. Let's take one more example for your better understanding. Uh, 63 times 24 equals. So what will come? What will come the multiplication? So first I write here 63, and below this 63 I will write 24. So first I will multiply this 63 by 4, which is in unit place in 24 on the bottom. So 4 times 3 equals 12. So I will write here 2, which is in 2 in unit place in 12, and I'll carry this one in tens place. Now I start with 4 times 6. So 4 times 6 equals 24. We will add this one in 24. So 24 1 plus 1 equals 25. So I write here 25. As you see here, we have got 63 times 4 equals 252. Now we are done with multiplying this unit place on the bottom. Now we will multiply this 63 by 20, where 2 is in tens place, so it is 20. I just clean up. So now we will start to multiply this 63 by 20. We are done with this unit number. So I write here 0. Now I start with 2 times 3, which is 6, and 2 times 6 equals 12. So I write here 12, and I will add these two numbers. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 5 plus 6 is 11, and 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So as you see here, 63 times 24 equals 1512. Guys, I hope you will like this video, so please share it, like and subscribe it to my channel. Thank you.